Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and today I'm getting to you guys another wallet review haul, both of them, because I got this recently from TJ Maxx and it's really pretty. And again, it's another Kate Spade. So wow, I like the sunlight right now. I always use I sit in front of the window so that you always see the natural, color. I don't have any lighting at all. Even when I do in the evening, sometimes I on the light, just this light here in this room. So anyway, guys, don't get scared of this. This is just mehendi I had on my hand, which is actually, it's gone right now. Oh, the sun is too much. It's actually faded off right now. I had applied it on the Diwali and it's kind of fading off. And this was some design like I did somehow, but this was my son. He had just kind of smushed it and made a circle, which it's gone right now actually. It's faded off. So this my younger son had done this, and he tried to do some design and he messed up. So I was like, okay, just put the whole thing and just make it a circle. So he had made like a big circle, and thank God it's rubbing off right now. So this beautiful Kate Spade wallet, and it's really bright color. It is, I'll tell you what it is. It was $39. It was like it had reduced from $49.99 to $39. So I picked it up. It's really pretty color, like a nice pop of color. And it has this spade here. It has its spade here with that pink, hot pink, color there. And then on this side, it has the writing here. It says Kate Spade, New York. And it is not that metal, it's just that printed writing like Kate Spade, New York. And this is so pretty. I like this zip. It's in gold, light gold color, and I love this zip. It has the spade on it here. Beautiful, zip closure, or the tab here, and then you open all the way through. And I will share in a minute what it's called. And inside, just the care card and all the things are still inside. I haven't removed the the packaging inside it. So the Kate Spade care card, and then the name is right here, and it is what is it? A slim continental wallet, slim continental wallet. That is the name, and it's retailed for $178, and I got it for how much? $39. And the color is called Berry Blizz. Okay, so the color is called Berry Bliss. So it's a poly wallet, slim continental poly wallet, and actually it is not that. That's why it's not very wide here, and it's not very long, but it's still slim. And I like the size of this actually. It's cute. So let's see inside, and actually in this side where the Kate Spade print is, there is a pocket here too. So you can put like a lot of stuff here, receipts and stuff like that. And then what I like, I'll show you what I like inside. And it has so much of space. You can see how much of this thing has been given, right? So I like that. You can put a lot of stuff. And let me remove these papers inside it to show you how it looks inside. And I love the way the card spaces in this. I love that. Let me show you guys. Look at that. It has a scallop card this card holder slots here. They are shaped like a scallop here. It has a beautiful shape. Look at that. It has a beautiful shape. I love that, because that gives little more space when you're putting the cards in also. It kind of gives more flexibility to put the cards in. And as usual, it doesn't have spade design inside. You can see it's really shiny, silky material, and it has like a flower. Yeah, it has like that heart design, like 4 hearts together. It's pretty. Or you can say 4 spades together, but it's not really spade. It's like just like a hearts. Really pretty design. Here also, pretty design. So it has the card holder slots here. Again, card holder slots here. So on the both the sides, and then also a space where you can put something here, like money maybe here. And then in the middle, again, there's a middle compartment, which is also quite big. I like that. And you can see inside, other than that design, it's written Kate Spade New York also inside. Yeah. With the design, it's also written Kate Spade New York. Even inside, in the bottom, it's written Kate Spade New York. So I think it's really pretty. Actually, it's so good quality, so flexible, and you'll be able to put in a lot because it has really, because of the flexibility, it's not hard. It's just like my the Kenneth Cole that I use all the time, like that it feels. But the quality is, of course, better than that. But it's really nice. I like this. So that's it, really just simple bag, simple wallet. So again, it is the Kate Spade Slim Continental Wallet in Poly Continental Wallet, and 178. So really pretty. That's it, guys. Today I wore matching dress that will match this actually, and I'm actually going to continue because this was a TJ Maxx haul I was trying to do, but I thought I want to dedicate this as one video. So another video I'll be doing, I'll just continue this, and please watch the next video because I have a whole TJ Maxx makeup haul that I'm going to show you next. So there you go, guys. Beautiful. And let me show you my dress, because as I always do a mod shot with my handbags, this is a wallet, but I'm still going to show you because I want to show you my dress and my shoes. And I've already showed the shoes I'm wearing today. I've already showed it. It's from Dillard's. I'd showed it in Dillard's haul long back. This dress is from Versona, and I had kept I've showed you like handbags and all from Versona. I had never showed you my dresses haul. I had kept them separately to show, but then I just took one of the dress in that and I just wore it. Let me show you. So it's actually matching. I can wear this wallet, I can carry it with this dress. Pretty. I like the sleeve. It has this elastic here, and it just goes like that, just a free cute dress. And I love the shoe I'm wearing, the burgundy color shoes. There you go, the Poly Slim Continental Wallet from Kate Spade. Thank you so much for watching. Continue to watch. My next one is a makeup haul, TJ Maxx makeup haul, and continue watching my next video. Bye guys.